In this video, we'll guide you on how to deal with a flashing green light on your Virgin Media device when there is no internet connection. Please like, subscribe, and comment to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks. The flashing green light on your Virgin Media box is a sign that it's trying to establish a connection. This light can be particularly annoying when trying to work or stream your favorite show and your internet won't cooperate. The first thing you want to do is to check if there's an area-wide outage. You can visit Virgin Media's website or contact customer service for any reported issues. If there's no reported outage, the issue might be with your device. Try resetting your Virgin Media box by switching it off, waiting for a few minutes, and then turning it back on. The lights should start flashing once you turn the device back on. Wait for a few minutes. Hopefully, the green light will turn solid, indicating that the internet connection has been restored. If the light is still flashing, the next step is to check your cables. Ensure all cables connected to your Virgin Media box are correctly plugged in and not damaged. Tighten any loose cables and replace any damaged ones. A loose or damaged cable could be why your internet isn't working. In case the problem persists, try to move your Virgin Media box closer to where you use your devices. Sometimes the issue may be due to a weak Wi-Fi signal. If the flashing light persists, connect your device directly to the modem using an Ethernet cable. If the internet works fine, the issue might be with your Wi-Fi. If none of the above solutions works, the problem could be with your Virgin Media box. You might need to contact Virgin Media's customer service for further assistance. Remember to inform them about the steps you've already taken to resolve the issue. This will help them diagnose the problem faster and provide a more effective solution. Remember, patience is critical when dealing with technical issues. It might take a while to resolve it, but don't give up. This guide was helpful, and you can now enjoy your internet connection without interruptions. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. It benefits us and would be greatly appreciated.